Late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's father KK Singh had tried to contact his son's live-in partner Rhea Chakraborty to know the details of his son's ongoing medical treatment. At that time, WhatsApp messages shared with the media showed. The actress, who is now the prime accused in the death case of Sushant, did not respond to any of the messages. Besides Rhea, Sushant's father also tried to connect with his son's former manager Shruti Modi, and even she did not revert back to him. Modi is co-accused in the case filed by Singh at a Patna police station on July 25th. She was also both Sushant and Rhea's manager. Singh, in his message to Rhea at 12:34 p.m. on November 29 last year, asked her to share the details of his son's treatment. In the message to Rhea, Singh said, "जब तुम जान गई कि हम सुशांत के पापा हूँ, तो बात क्यों नहीं की? आखिर बात क्या है? फ्रेंड बनकर उसका देखभाल और उसका इलाज करवा रही हो, तो मेरा भी फर्ज बनता है कि सुशांत के बारे में जानकारी मुझे भी रहे। इसीलिए कॉल कर मुझे भी सारी जानकारी दो." The revelation came in the backdrop of regular questioning of Rhea and her family members besides Modi and other associated with Sushant by the ED. The father had also tried to contact Modi on the same day. He WhatsApped Rhea, November 29, asking her to book a flight ticket for Singh so that he could come to Mumbai. Singh wrote to Shruti Modi 18 minutes before messaging Rhea. In the message, he said, "मैं जानता हूँ कि सुशांत के सारे कर्ज और उसे भी तुम ही देखती हो। वह अभी किस स्थिति में है, इसके लिए बात करना चाह रहे थे। कल सुशांत से बात हुई थी तो उसने कहा था कि मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ। अब तुम सोचो कि एक पिता को कितनी चिंता होती होगी उसके लिए। इसलिए तुमसे बात करना चाह रहा था। अब तुम बात नहीं कर रही हो तो मैं मुंबई जाना चाहता हूँ, फ्लाइट का टिकट भेज दो." The ED had recorded the statement of Rhea, her brother Shovik and father Indrajit on Monday. Till date, the ED has questioned Rhea twice, her brother Shovik's statement thrice and her father Indrajit once. Bollywood Live via Ranveer Singh is an avid social media user. The actor keeps treating his fans with his pictures on Instagram. On Tuesday, Ranveer shared a throwback picture of himself on Instagram. In the photograph, Ranveer looked absolutely handsome in white shirt with his well-styled hair and beard. Fans are absolutely delighted to see his picture and they expressed their awe and admiration in the comment section. One fan commented, "Handsome." Another fan wrote, "Looking fire." Sona Munda, a user, commented, "Ranveer will next be seen in Kabir Khan's 83, which narrates the story of India's first ever Cricket World Cup victory in 1983. In the film, he essays the role of Kapil Dev, who captained an underdog team to the World Cup glory. His other upcoming film is Jayesh Bhai Jodar. Makeup surely makes Kareena Kapoor Khan happy. On Monday, the actress posted a picture that would suggest she has lately been in the mood to celebrate makeup. "Wake up and makeup is the Monday mood I was waiting for," she captioned the image. Kareena's makeup look has left fans in awe of her. On the work front, Kareena will be seen opposite Aamir Khan in Lal Singh Chaddha, which is an official Hindi remake of Hollywood film Forrest Gump. She is also a part of Karan Johar's multi-starrer Takht, which also stars Ranveer Singh, Anil Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Vicky Kaushal, Bhumi Pednekar and Janhvi Kapoor. Actor Ajay Devgan, who will next be seen in film Bhuj the Pride of India, was snapped outside his office on Tuesday. The actor kept his look casual in blue shirt, which he teamed up with denim shorts. In the film, Ajay will be portraying the role of squadron leader Vijay Kumar Karnik. The film also stars Sonakshi Sinha, who will essay the character of Sundarban Jetha Madharparya, who is a social worker and a farmer woman who convinced 299 other women from Madhapur to help build a runway during the India-Pakistan War of 1971. Actress Raveena Tandon too was snapped in town. Dressed in black top and green cargo pants, Raveena looked stunning. Actress Athiya Shetty has conveyed birthday wishes to her father Sunil Shetty with a special note on Instagram. "To my wisest teacher, greatest protector, Toughest workout buddy and my bestest friend, happy birthday. Love you, Papa. Nobody can match the size of your heart, wrote Atya. Along with it, Atya posted a throwback picture and a video. In the picture, Sunil Shetty is seen kissing Atya on her cheeks, while in the video, the duo can be seen dancing their heart out on a Bollywood dance number. On the work front, Atya was last seen in Motichur Chaknachur alongside Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Bollywood actress Bhumi Pednekar, who made headturns with her admirable work in the 2017 film Toilet Ek Prem Katha, is celebrating the film's 3 years of release. Bhumi took to Instagram to express her happiness. She wrote, 3 years of Toilet Ek Prem Katha. I am so grateful to have a part of a film which aimed to entertain and educate our audiences. Thank you for an unforgettable experience, Akshay Kumar sir, Sudhir Pandey sir and the entire cast and crew. The film Toilet Ek Prem Katha was based on poor sanitization facilities in India. Actress Sara Ali Khan is enjoying monsoon to the fullest and sharing moments of her rainy days with fans on social media. The actress shared a video on Instagram in which she is seen cycling with her brother Ibrahim. Her cap is blown away by the wind as she cycles on a road with lots of greenery around. Gone with the wind, she captioned the video. On the work front, Sara will be seen opposite Varun Dhawan in the remake of 1995 hit film Coolie No. 1. The new version is directed by David Dhawan, who earlier helmed the original film of the same name starring Govinda and Karisma Kapoor.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.